If you're a beginner and you're looking to build a stunning website with WordPress, this complete tutorial will be helpful for you. In this video, in this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how you can easily build any type of website using WordPress and Gutenberg with pre-built stunning templates. So don't skip any part of this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform and the basic steps in the WordPress. Before we install our theme or plugin, we have to follow some basic steps. First, we will go to setting option and click on general option, where we have to provide our site title, tagline, and in the site icon you can upload your website logo. And one of the most important thing in the WordPress address, make sure it's HTTPS. That means your URL of your website is secure. Before you put here HTTPS, make sure you have enabled SSL certificate in the hosting, then HTTPS here will work. And then you have to ensure your admin email address is correct here. After all the setting, save changes. And next setting, we will go to permalinks. In the permalinks, make sure you set to post name. After you click on post name, save changes. Next, let's go to appearance and click on themes. Now I will able to explain you if you are looking to build any type of business website, news website, or any directory website or a blog. So easiest way to build such type of website, we have to choose a blog editor theme. Gutenberg blog editor is one of the easiest website editor, and you can easily edit any type of website. And also we will once we upload our theme or install our theme, we have to follow some steps in order to get pre-built nice stunning templates. Let's click on add theme. So we have to choose, we have a lot of themes in the WordPress theme panel. So we have to wisely choose one theme which compatible with blog editor. So we have to scroll down and we will find the theme name Navy. So here we have our theme called Navy. Let's click on install and we will activate our theme right away from the settings. Now let's go to Navy option. In the WordPress you will see Navy option. Let's click on dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Navy theme which we just installed. And then in the right side you will see some of the recommended plugin in order to install. So we will install first that template here, started site. Click on install and activate. Only first we will install this plugin, rest plugin we will check later on. So first option, you have to make sure you choose here Gutenberg blog editor. If you want to build with Elementor, you have to choose here Elementor and make sure Elementor is active in the backend. So let's scroll down after we choose Gutenberg here. And we have a stunning template for every type of website. Either you want to build a website for any e-commerce store or any dental clinic, coding school, or any LMS website or coaching courses website, you have to find that particular relevant started templates according your business. If you have a business and appointment, you might interested in appointly a template here, which is very nice template. And if you have any other professional you want to build a professional website or any other type business website, you have some other options like Venta moving. You can go with the Venta moving template. And if you scroll down further, you have some other option in the starter template. So first you have to decide what type of template you like from the list, and all these templates are free. So once you choose your template, we have to install that particular template in our WordPress. And you can see these templates are highly optimized, and also the great layouts we can see here with the nice animations. So let's scroll down further and we will able to review other starter templates from the list. So let me choose one of the template I like and I checked yesterday and for my website, for my own website, and we will go with here marketing agency. If you want to build marketing agency or digital marketing agency, you can choose this template, and then you can choose even you want to go with dark layout or light layout. You can choose your colors. So after you choose your colors, let's click on continue option. Before we click on continue option, we have to upload our website logo here. Select or upload logo and scroll down. You have option for typography to choose your website fonts. So once you choose your website font here, if you're new to my channel, please I request you to hit subscribe, like and share my videos so I bring more nice tutorials for you. I really appreciate for that. So after we choose fonts and click on continue, next step is very important. If you're building website selling courses, and you might need also the plugin here Mastery, which I personally use to sell courses. So these features or options according your template. If I choose any other template, example, if I choose this template and click on next, and I have some other different options. So first I have to decide the template. For example, if I choose dental clinic and click continue, I have option. It asks me the feature to install a plugin called catching or appointment. Sometime you see the plugin or feature option appointments. If you want to enable appointments or e-commerce feature, you have to check all these options. What I will recommend are these two options are already enabled: site builder and contact form, which comes with this particular template and you cannot uncheck them. So you have other option. If you want to enable AI chatbot, so you have to enable this option also in the select features. So the same way, if I choose any other template, example, if I choose for selling e-commerce or selling products, if I want to build e-commerce store, then it will suggest me option according that. If I choose this pet shop and if I click on continue, and you can see here the feature already selected WooCommerce. What it mean? Because this particular template compatible with the WooCommerce, and because this is the e-commerce template. So WooCommerce option you cannot uncheck. You can uncheck, but it recommend to keep it all the pre-select options if you want to enable the e-commerce functionality. So it suggests you according that. So let me pick any template which I personally like and I check yesterday. So this is this template. I really like this template. And not only you can build this particular moving business template with the commercial moving business, residential moving, commercial moving. You can change this template either to any other business like a e-commerce, sorry, like a digital marketing agency, and you have to add it according that. So the template is not only mean you can only build moving this website only for moving business. You can add it, customize, and you can take this template to build any type of website for business. I will recommend to choose this template for business website, and you can also choose the colors you like color. If you want to go with dark layout, yesterday I choose dark layout, and I decide to go with this template, and I will able to customize all these boxes according services I offer. Then click next, and then I will also need to enable AI chatbot, contact form, site builder. These are important features for me. Let's click on import website, start import. It won't take much time. You have to stay here while we complete this process. Do not refresh. So as you can see, our website has been successfully imported. Import complete. Enjoy your site. You can skip and view site. So we will able to check our website layout. Yeah, perfect. We got our website design first, and then now it's time to customize our template. You can see here upper side we have all the menus, available menus, but the menu here, the logo looks bigger, so we have to click on customize option. If you not see customize option, you can go to WordPress backend. So and WordPress backend, click on appearance and then customize. So same option you will get here. So I will go to, either you can hover your mouse when you click customize. You can hover your mouse on the header and click the option you wanna customize, the pencil icon. And first let me delete this logo, so it will align my header. As you can see, my header is now aligned, and then I can upload my logo again. Make sure you have to adjust the width of your logo. Bigger logo might not looks good, but you can adjust the width from here. If you not have yet have your logo, you can use your website name or site title here. So next you have menus. You have to click menu option, or you can go to customize option, click on menu option, menus. Example, you have option here already, main menu. Click on it and you can customize your menus from here. You can add new menu by click add item, and you can select the options you want to add in the menu. After you add, click publish. Next we have how we can customize our front end of a page. First let's click on home. So we will start customize our website from the home option, and you will see upper side option, edit page. Let's click on edit page, and then it will be easy for you to customize any part of your website by hovering your mouse, double click, and you will able to change anything. So let me try to change welcome to Preet Tech Ideas. So I want to make Preet Tech Ideas all in the italic. Okay, this way. And if you select again that part, and you can click on the options here, you can change also the color, highlight color. This way you can change any color, and then click on description. You have to provide your description. Even you can paste from copy and paste here in the sections. If you hover on the button, click on the button, double click on the text, get a free code. So example, you want to add here book meeting, and then when you click again on the button, you will see here option button link. Click on link and paste your link. You someone click on the book meeting, where they should go. You have to paste or search your page. Make sure you have a booking page in the backend. So you will search like booking, and it will suggest you here option like page to add. Example, I add here service page, select on it, and now someone click here, they will go to services page. Let me customize it, book meeting. My button is now ready. Next button, click on it, explore service, double click. You can change it. Downside, we have a fully insured, is these things. Just a double click on the mouse and keep change. Fully secure platform. So this is how it is easy to customize any type of area on your page. You can hover on the image, click options, and you can also change these images. Trusted by leader, brands, double click, and you can also customize it. On the boxes, double click residential movie. So let's make it website design surveys, and then in the box double click and change your website design, provide some information, and then learn more, click on it, and make sure same way you have to click link in order to add your link. Someone click learn more, they will go to website design page. Make sure you have all the pages ready in the backend. So after you customize everything on your site, click save. So once you save, you will able to review your site. So let me click, let's click on here, view page, and you will able to see our welcome to pre-tech idea has been changed. So this way you can change any type of text heading or any other buttons. So if you wanna customize the next pages like services page, first go to services page, again you have to follow edit page. So you have to follow this process in order to easily customize your template. So this is how it is easy to build a website using Gutenberg and WordPress. You can build any type of website. If you have a question any regarding regarding WordPress or any Gutenberg, just let me know in the comments and I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.